Hey, and welcome to the YepText Classroom, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to work with our APIs that we've developed to link in with your websites that you have if you are a programmer and know how to deal with APIs and want to use it. So if you click on the API tab right here on our page, you'll notice that we have API settings, we have the API sent information, we have the API documentation that you will need all right here. And we also have the carrier information that you will need for APIs. And that pretty much wraps it up. So if you do want to link with one of our APIs and use some of the stuff on your website, you can definitely do that with our API settings that we have here. And let us know, contact us if you have some sort of API that it can't link with, and we could potentially work something out to link with your custom API as well. So that pretty much wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later.